Hello students, welcome to Sunya IAS. So today we are going to announce the launch of most relevant exam-oriented test series for Mains 2027, where Sunya IAS is going to help you out practicing in the right direction with the right approach to make you Mains ready. So in this particular test series, you will be getting 35 tests, where we have tried to divide these tests at two different levels, level 1 and level 2. In level 1, the focus is on holistic syllabus coverage, whereas in level 2 the focus is on real exam simulation. So for coverage we are giving you total 20 tests, and for real exam simulation we are giving you total 15 tests. Both of these tests for coverage as well as simulation has been divided separately for GS as well as essay. For coverage you will be attempting 16 GS tests and 4 essay tests, and for real exam simulation you will be attempting 15 full-length tests, where 12 full-length tests will be for GS and 3 full-length tests will be for essay. So our focus is not only to make you GS ready but also to make you essay ready. Now the question comes around that why students should join Sunya IAS Mains test series. What is that unique in our test series? So the uniqueness comes from the deciding factors, which are many. One is what kind of questions you are getting. So for questions we have decided on the basis of PYQ themes plus the relevancy of UPSC exam, which is evolving every day. If you are analyzing last 3 to 4 years of papers, you must have been seeing that how UPSC has been integrating two different concepts or integrating two different papers to ask questions, like how civil services ethos give rise to nationalism, or nationalism is important for civil services ethos. Civil services as part of governance and nationalism as part of your Indian society. So we are also trying to imbibe those kinds of evolution, imbibe those kinds of approach in our questions. Similarly, the weightage of questions which are based on current affair has also been increasing. So we are also imbibing that kind of approach in our question framework. Let me show you example. Now, this is one of the question papers which we have made for you guys. Now look at the level of questions which we have been asking in this particular paper. The question to ask about 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978. This topic becomes important as last year we have celebrated the 15th year of or 15th anniversary of our emergency. That government has decided that June 25th will be celebrated as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. Similarly, lot of issues related to judicial review has come. The issue related to biasness of speaker, the issue related to decreasing debates and deliberations in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has been a prominent topic on the basis of which UPSC can ask questions. Similar approach we have done for economy also, where the land digitization has become very much important part of current affairs as well as the government approach related to land consolidation and solving the land issues. So we are equally giving focus to PYQ themes as well as we are equally giving focus to the relevancy on the basis of which UPSC can be asking questions. So this is the level of questions which you will be getting, where we are trying to focus on improving your analytical capability, giving you multidimensional approaches related to question frameworks, and including the current affairs relevancy in those questions. Then the next question is what kind of model answers which you will be getting. So the model answers of ours has already been praised by many of toppers, be it our GS PYQ books, be it our optional PYQ books, or be it our GS 1, 2, 3, 4 books. Now look at this particular model answer. The introduction has been crisp and concise to make it to the point introduction, where you can replicate these kinds of introductions, conclusions, body parts in the final exam also. Then we have tried to imbibe innovation in the content as well as structure also. For example, we have been trying to make these flowcharts. We have tried to present the answers in tabular formats. While looking into conclusions, again conclusion has been made into very concise framework so that you can easily replicate these kinds of approaches in the final exam. All these model answers have been designed by subject matter experts with the help of toppers approach. Okay. Then next comes around that what kind of evolution which we will be giving you. The evolution of Sunya IAS has also been praised many toppers in the previous attempts. Now look at this level of evolution, where we have trying to highlight not the issues which you are missing in your answer sheets, but we are also trying to help you out that what you need to write to give more weightage to your argument, that what kind of examples you need to write. For example, school quality index. What kind of another examples like PM Gati Shakti. How your content is not giving you marks and why, what is the reasons, everything has been clubbed down in these evaluation sheets. So these evaluations has been done not only your 1 or 2 parameters, but we have decided, and this evaluation will be decided on the basis of 12 different approaches, where we are not focusing only on the content, but we are also focusing on the clarity of thought. We are also focusing on that what kind of integration, what kind of multidimensionality which you are providing in your answers, how your argument has been given weightage with the help of right examples at the right point of time. Okay, everything has been taken care of. Apart from the evaluation of your sheets, the evaluators are also presenting you that what kind of new innovative approaches which you could have used in your answer writing approach. So evaluation will be taken care of. Okay, then the main thing is that what kind of post test support which you will be getting from Sunya IAS. So we will be providing you for this post test support, we will be providing you one-to-one mentorship, where you will be discussing your answer sheets, your approach related to solving the papers with mentors, and this one-to-one mentorship is on demand. That if you want to connect with the mentor to discuss your sheets, you will be connected with the mentor one-to-one, because every student has a different approach to write their answers. We don't believe in that where we will be discussing the sheets with 10, 20, 15 people, but we will be discussing the sheets with the individual students, so that we will be trying to highlight what are their issues. Okay. Similarly, the next or most important part is best copies. So for every test which you will be attempting, we will be providing you best copies among the students who have written tests with you, so that you will be knowing the real competition, what your competitor has been writing about, how he has been making content, how he has been structuring his answer, how or what kind of framework, what kind of argument he has been writing in his answers. So this is the post-test support which you will be getting from us. Okay. So this particular batch we have been launching from 3rd of May, which the schedule you can see from the Sunya IAS website. Just go to the mains tab, open mains test series. Here you will get the details. When you will be clicking at this particular complete schedule, the schedule will open. So from 3rd of May, you will be having your polity test. Then on 17th May, you will be also having your polity test for second part. Okay. With this particular test series, you will be attempting 20 tests by 14 February. So by 14 February, you will be done with 16 GS tests as well as 4 essay tests, which will give you boost, which will hype up your preparation, and you will be more enthusiastic about preparing your prelims wala part after the February. Okay. So if you want to enroll, just go again on this Sunya website, mains tab, and this particular page will pop up. If you have any issues, you can connect on this number, else you can subscribe. Okay. This was all for our side related to our mains test series. Hope to see you guys in the classes. Take care.